major dyan yung sa tennis na robot. So, pinalit namin si Ray. Si Ray, inumit talaga namin na sana dating natin si Mayor dito. And you know naman how happy they are. Yung ating principal, nawala ang pagiging principal, naging movie pa ng there. And again, thank you for giving us time. And to my ICSI staff, thank you for giving this focus to Rais. For example, like si Hilti and all the rest of the ICSI office. Again, thank you very much, Mayor, for your valuable time. Okay, the next to speak is, of course, walang iba kundi ating pinakamamahal na Mayor. Kasi alam ko meron pa siyang 10 o'clock, kaya pinibilisan namin yung program. And again, Mayor, have your floor.
Donate nyo na rin ba yung cellphone nyo? Kukunin namin. Okay.
Nawala siya.
Palakpakan natin si Ma'am Melinda. Ang ating principal, Ma'am Melinda Dionisio. Our executive director, Ms. Lorena, ng ICTSI Foundation. Mr. Bartolome, Program Operation, ICTSI. Mr. Llorente, ICTSI Foundation. Mr. Palmoria, ICTSI Foundation. Ms. Pani Palad, ICTSI Foundation. To the ICTSI family or IAF, good morning and thank you very much. To our SDO family, today being represented by our Assistant Superintendent, Ma'am Lumeda, at ang kanyang mga kasamahan sa SDO, to the parents, teachers, athlete, and of course yung mga barangay chairman natin na nandito na iba-ibang barangay ito. Ganun pa nang dito sa Pilastis. Nalayo ba yan? But to the parents also na nandito. Good morning! Well, una talaga sa lahat. Sabi yan, like nowadays. It's a very good thing that even yesterday, as an update to the citizens of Manila, we were told yesterday by the President, through the Executive Secretary Ralph Recto, to come up with a whole nation approach, confronting the economic situation ng ating bansa due to uncertainty in the Middle East. And measures are being put into their places, and so on and so forth. At masaya ako dahil siyempre yung pakikipagtulungan ng lokal at nasyonal ay nagdudulot ng kabutihan sa kanyang nasasakupan. Immaterial of politics. Ibali na hindi magkakakulay. As long as we get into position, we must work hand in hand and to protect the interests of our people. Now, having said that, with the same analogy, wherein private sectors doing business in the city of Manila, helping the city government and its people. Kaya nakakatuwa na ang ICTSI sa lahat ng panahon lagi natin kasama. Sa aberya, o ngayon, sa sports and extracurricular activities for our kids, particularly yung kanilang mga talento, maipakikita nila. At one way or another, we will continue to lead the region. In the recent Palaro NCR, top-notcher ang Maynila. Pagkita pa yan, pahiraman pa ng mouthpiece. At least, nakis nyo yung crush nyo. Yeah, I know the story. And this is not just a story. This thing happened. Almario, 5 palapag yan. May portion, 3 palapag. May portion, 5 palapag. As you age, you go higher, grade 1 to grade 6, pataas ng pataas. So, ako, recess boy. Yung may recess girl, may recess boy. Ang ibig sabihin noon, nung araw, doon sa ground floor nitong pinatatayuan natin, may canteen. During the recess, there will be volunteers, student volunteer, to go down to the canteen and get the recess tray and soup. The tray for the girls and the soup for the boys. And nobody's allowed. Walang pwedeng lumabas ng classroom except those who are authorized na mga mag-aaral. So I always volunteer. Kasi pang GMRC ko yun eh. Sayang din. Ewan ko, mga teacher niyo, alam yung GMRC. Good moral and right conduct. Pag ikaw nag-volunteer sa paglilinis, pagbubunot, kung araw nagbubunot kami, nagpo-floor wax kami, tapos nagbo-volunteer ako magpura ng blackboard. Kaya marami akong an-an. Dahil doon sa chok, anong araw. But going back to the story, ibebenta mo yung soup, ibebenta mo yung tray, tapos matututo ka ng mathematics naturally kasi inventory, yung dami na paninda mo, ilan ang lumabas, pagkano per piece, multiply, then i-entrega mo pababa ulit sa canteen. The thing is, there are about 40 students. I have to sell the soup. And soups, usually, dalawa lang naman yan. Cold and hot. Pag cold, yan yung mga sopas. Pag hot, mga sopas. Pag cold, yung gulaman. Bilo-bilo. Mangyari ba, hindi naman lahat nabibili, di ba? Siyempre, may mga batang katulad ko, walang baon. Wala kaming baon. Kaya lang, remember yung kwento ko, walang pwedeng lumabas. So, pagsusoli na namin sa kantin, yung mga ataps, hindi naman nauubos yung soup eh. May natitira doon sa aluminum, yung aluminum na tasa. May natitira doon. Di ba wala namang tao? Wala namang tao sa hagdanan. Fifth floor ako, pababa. So what I did is, yung pinag-inuman ng mga kaklase ko, sinasali ko sa isang klase. Makakabuo ko ng isa. But nobody's seeing it, except yung partner ko, estudyante na babae. Kasi sabay kami pa. So, ininom ko yun kasi wala akong baon. Si Miss Villaluz, naalala ko noon, binibigyan pa ako ng piso ng araw. Kasi ang panitaw, 50 centavos. Yung soup, 50 centavos. Yung panitaw ng araw, malaki. Talagang bondan ka lang. But most of the time, wala. So, bakit yun ikwento? Kasi nagmamouthpiece kayo, di ba? Sharing of mouthpiece. Para kayong may nakaraan nung nagpalitan ng mouthpiece. Pero ako, lahat ng kaklase ko, na-kiss ko na. Nang hindi nila alam. Life is hard. That's the truth. But, you know, as you persevere, mangyari ba, magpupursige ka lang, mga bata kayo, lalo na. Huwag nyo hahanapin ang isang bagay na wala sa inyo. You have to appreciate what you have already. So anything about that is blessing. So kailangan matuto tayo na katulad na sinasabi ng mga nanay at tatay natin. Kapag maikli ang bumot, matutong mamalot. Then, the rest is history. Sa mga batang nandito, lalo na yung mga nanay yan. Don't give up in your case. Sinong makapagsasabi o kulang na lang na ang isang graduate ng Almario pwedeng maging mayor ng Maynila? Kaya mga bata, you have to be appreciative of whatever you have. More so today will be in jubilation. Ito ang pinakamasayang araw ng Almario. Paldo! Paldo! Alam niyo ba ito? This is a very expensive machine. I'm gonna show you something. Totoo yung sinabi ni Ma'am kanina. This one, pang-Alex Yara yan. Pero yung may katelis ka, bakit na katelis mo? Yeah, totoo yun ha. So ngayon, we cannot compete with Lasal. Kasi dalawa lang tayo meron niya sa buong Maynila. Almario lang at Lasal. And I would like to share also to our ICTSI Foundation partners with regard to the nutrition or what you call the stunting problem of the country, and that includes Manila. 3 months ago, we've launched Your Milk. And dito rin ako nakatikim ng cream at Nutriban nung araw sa Almario. Yung Nutriban, mga bata, ganyan kalaki. Basag na panga mo, hindi po po siya Nutriban. At yung pagka binato mo sa kaklase mo yan, bumukol. Talagang matigas yun. It's a nutritious one. Then we are being given milk. Tinatakan mo doon sa, ano mo, writing paper, writing notebook mo. Pipilas ka ng isa. Tapos natakala ka. Yan ng clean or gatas. And that brought us something in our nutritional needs at the time. But 3 months ago, I've been hearing a lot of data, seeing a lot of data that there is something in the country. And to confirm it, I directed the NEC to sample or what you call sampling data. And it's true. So that's why your city government brought back the milk supplemental program or napangalang Your Milk. And this is for daycare center. 21,000 every other day for the last almost 3 months now. At yung mga bata ngayon, pag nakita nyo yung mga mukha, naku, you should see how it brought nutrition to their body. Fresh milk. We bought from the farmer. Ito yan ha, alam nyo, yung programa na yan sa totoo lang. Pag may nagsiyasat niyan, bibigyan ng gold medal ng ang MDSW and Image. Farmer, kulang ng customer. Yung baka nilang alaga, they need to katasan. Hindi, magkakasakit yun. Pag walang bibili, tapon. So for the first time in history, local government unit through NDA, National Dairy Authority, then cooperative, then farmer. So from the farm directly sa Manila. That's how fresh it is. 21,000 bottles of 200 ml, I think more or less, iniinom ng bata. And so far, it's doing good. Now, ma'am, ito ang good news. Tinulong ko to kay principal. Kasi si Lumeda, alam na ito. Nung nakita namin, ko bang maganda. Then now we are going to escalate. To the parents who are here, kasi unang-una, tutuwa yung mga parents. Wala na silang postgas sa nutrition ng bata nila. Dahil sagot ng syudad. Bali ba, palalawakin na natin. By June, we will show with daycare, 21,000 of them, and 40,000 kinder and grade 1 all over the city. We will reinforce the nutritional needs and health of our kids. Daycare, kinder, and grade 1. Hanggat may mapipiga ako sa bimpo, pipigayin ko, lumusog lang tayo. Kaya, mga bata, wala na kayong gagawin kundi mag-aaral na lang at mag-practice. Dahil sa ICTSI, ang sarap mag-practice ngayon. Kasi kompleto ka lang namin. And I would like to inform you, my wife is an athlete. Yes. Their family started Taekwondo in the country, or De Las Piñas Gym, where Mr. Hong from South Korea, who is now still the head of the Taekwondo and consultant of the government. And Lolo Dad, Lolo Luisis, put up a gym, or Jimmy, the uncle, started competing. Then, Pamangkin, Arnold, national team, Ate Irene, who is in America, who is the biggest, one of the biggest Taekwondo gym in California, or what you call Excel Taekwondo. You can Google it in California, Woodland Hills. Then Eva, who is in America, teaching also for the US Open. Olympian natin. First Taekwondo Demo Olympics. Then my wife, also a national team. Kaya ako, I'm afraid of my wife. Because black belter ang SB ko. Kaya ako, mahilig ako sa Yunachi. Sa Yunachinelas ko kasi nawatak ko lang. But kidding aside, she is national team and athlete of LaSalle. Lahat sila actually, lahat sila scholar because of being an athlete. Lahat sila Taekwondo. And a lot of athletes, naging matagumpay sa kanilang karera and profession. And Manila is producing top-notch athlete. Very competitive. There was a boy in Paraiso ng Batang Maynila, doon siya nag-training. Kaya kalain mo, naging gold medalist. So maraming bata. Sabi ko nga nung araw, noong dekada 80, bakit kaya PSC, hindi maganap ng diver dito sa Tondo? Sinong araw, pag dumadating natin cross navigation, sweet lines, Sulpicio, Gotong, yung WGNA, ewan ko, naalala ko ng mga teacher yun, Doña Paz. Pag dumarating ngayon yan sa pier, lalo na yung passenger boat, no? Katulad ng Sulpicio and William. Kahit kami maakyat sa Andamyo. Tapos kukunin namin yung mga bote ng Pepsi, Mirinda, 7-Up, araw. Tapos ibabato namin sa dagat. Yung partner namin sa dagat, hindi naman lulubog kagad yung bote. Kukunin yun, tapos ibabato sa pantalang. May sasalong naman doon. Tapos makakaisang sako kami ng bote. Ang problema, hindi masyadong pinapayagan yun ng mga tripulante or crew. Misa pinapahabol kami sa aso. So, where do you go? You jump. Nung araw meron palabas, fireman. Red 1, green 2, yellow 3. Tumatalong sa apat. Dumadayo ka. At magagaling lumere yung mga kababata ko. Sabi ko, ba't hindi dito maghanap ng athlete sa diving? Kasi magagaling yung mga bata dito sa So, I'm telling you these stories, mga bata, na sometimes if you hear these stories, parang impossible that this happened to a person or a group of individuals. Kaya nung naging crucial ako, meron akong ginawang what you call this? Para bang sentence o pangungusap. Sabi ko, Tondo, Kuwait, pandayan ng husay at talino. And I brought that word, that statement to inspire others. We were inspired by Andres Bonifacio. A lot of heroes, our mga ninuno, Raha Matanda, Lakad Mula, Raha Bago, and so on. So, you kids today, I'm excited for you. I'm excited for you because not everyone will have this. But Almario has it because of ICTSI. So to all other partners, rest assured that every single cent that you extended to our institution will be utilized fully and taken care of. Magbubuti kami. At sana po, lagi kayong mabasa ng ulan para dumami pa sila. Maraming salamat sa tulong ninyo. I really appreciate it. And I think the kids are excited to utilize it. And rest assured, as you know, ICTSI is from yesterday, from last night. We were every other, gaano kasi ako ng fiscal management ng city. We just saw, again, I think this time around again, ICTSI is one of the top taxpayer of the city of Manila. Kaya naman natin ICTSI sa buhay natin dito sa Luzon, lalong-lalo na dito sa Manila. So muli po, on behalf of the parents, the athletes and students, the institution, and on behalf of the people of Manila. Maraming salamat, ma'am. Thank you very much, RCBSR Foundation. Muli, good luck. Galingan niyo. Go for gold. Oh, isang malakasan dyan. Chill lang. Okay. Mag-aral kayo maigi, ha? Pag nag-aral kayo maigi, pipilitin mo magbuti.